What's going on, everybody? Today I'm back again with another video. In this video I'm going to be redoing the front of my hair. As you can see, I'm looking a tad bit raggedy, so I'm going to take just like the front row out and just redo a little bit. I just have some hair left over from the last time I did my hair, and I'm going to be using that just to kind of tighten up the front a little bit. So I just took loose the front and back of my hair. It's been in for a long time, and now I'm just gonna start rebraiding some of these braids, and it's pretty much self-explanatory, so I may chime in and chime out and explain a couple of things, but for the most part I'm just gonna let you all sit back, enjoy the music, and enjoy the video. I do like to use this yellow shining gem to kind of section off my braids where the hair is a little bit short or thin, and then I just take the hair and I pinch it to separate it, and then what I'm doing right here is I'm pinching that little piece of hair, and then I'm just going to start braiding, and I'm going under and over, and I'm grabbing all that hair at the same time. I'm going to try to do a more detailed video of how I do my braids, kind of slow for those of you that may want to learn how to braid but don't know how. It's very hard to explain, but I'll try to go slow so you can see what I'm doing. So when I'm braiding my hair or rebraiding it, I always like to just plait each braid halfway down and leave the rest until I get everything done. And then I go back and I plait everything else down. And this process kind of goes pretty quickly, being that everything is already attached. And then I just go from there. So now in the back of my hair, I'm going to go ahead and put me some Blue Magic hair grease just to get everything all greased up and moisturized. I do have a lot of like gray hair in the back, and it looked like it's not much hair right there, but it's way more than it looks like. Y'all, I be gripping the butt out of the duck. So once I do that, I go in with my hairbrush and brush it up, and then I'm going to take a little bit of that yellow gel, the yellow shining gem. I like that one because it has the honey in it, and it's very, very moisturizing. I put that on to hold my hair in place. So I take this little piece right here, and I'm just going to do the same thing like I did before. I'm going to fix the hair up in my hand. I do this interlocking method in the back of my hair because it is so short and soft, and my braids will slide out after a few days in the back. Y'all, my hair is way too soft back there. But you can see a little bit better of how I'm like doing my fingers here. So I kind of grab and then I hold with my middle finger, and then I push in with my index finger. So that's the finger that goes under and over. Y'all, this is kind of tricky and hard to explain. I'm so sorry. To tell you the truth, I've been braiding my own hair so long, I don't even know how to explain even remotely what I'm doing. But it always come out nice and neat. So now I'm just gonna hold the hair down and cut off some of these pokey pokies or flyaways. Just gonna do just like I did in my other video where I did the bob, and I'm just gonna cut off all those excess flyaways off the braids. Now I'm adding some Pump It Up spritz to help lay down the ones that I couldn't cut off. A little bit of Got To Be spray full of reinforcement, some pink moisturizer. I think it's pink lotion or pink moisturizer, oil sheen, and any kind of gel. It's just the gel that was sitting in front of me, just to further lay down all those flyaways, because y'all, those can be extra aggravating. Like taking it a loose, but yeah, it was a long time coming because y'all, my hair was just looking a hot mess, and you saw that in the before clip. But yeah, I ended up doing all the way around. It's not too, too much to write home about in the back, but for the most part, it looks really good. I can put it in a little ponytail like this and just go on about my business, and Nobody will ever know that my hair have not been done all the way over fresh. So I hope all of you enjoyed this video. Be sure to share, like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned to see what I come up with next.